Hi, mates. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's great. Hope everybody had a great holiday. We're on TradingView right now this morning. Pretty easy peasy. Taking a look at some of the correlated assets to Bitcoin after Bitcoin's nice little run, and now it's kind of pulled back a little bit after the holiday. So we're looking at easy short trades or some swing KR2 trades, quick reverse trades to the upside on a technical basis. And right now we're looking at Bitcoin Cash. It's an easy target here of 100. I think we're going to hit somewhere between 100 and 102. And that'll be an easy 20 to 30%. If your 5X is going to be a 30% trade, if your 3X is going to be 18% trade, and lower, obviously, the lower down you go. But pretty nice and easy trade simply off the technical 721 method that we teach, okay? Everyone in the group has still had rock solid gains, consistent gains, even in this market, using the method, okay? And just reversing the method from a bullish signal to a bearish signal, using the same methods but applying it to a bearish conditioned market or bearish behavior market. Okay, so when your altcoin breaks through a 7 or 21 barrier, okay, daily moving average barrier on the 4 hour. You can use other time frames, mate, but I find the 4 hour is 92 to 93% effective for me. So that's what I get when I trade with people one-on-one. That's where we start. You certainly can go down to 2 hour, 1 hour, 1 minute nonsense if you want to try that game where people have just gotten completely obliterated in this market. And what you hear from those people that are whatever their gimmick 1 minute was, they're crickets during bear markets. Okay. Because how do you do that if you're not using technical analytics, right? Like, it doesn't make any sense. It's easy when everything's FOMOing from 2020, 3,800, okay, to 70,000, where every 48 hours Bitcoin's going up another, 1,000 points, 2,000, 3,000 points, boom, boom, boom. Anyone can play that market. Anybody. The people today that are in the crypto space right now that you want to pay attention to are the people that are going to make you a better trader in a bear market, because markets are always bullish and bearish. If you're going to lose all your money in the bear market, you just wasted all your time in the bull market. Okay, I said in a previous video, we have mates in our trading group that have not sold. Okay, you're looking at them, have not sold a single Bitcoin, have not sold a single Ethereum, have not sold anything. Okay, how do you play that? You hedge your bag and stack using 1x to 3x to 5x. Don't recommend anything more than 5x leverage for anyone in a market like this, but people will do it, okay? And then you play the bears. You let the exchanges, solid exchanges, always be wary of keeping your money on exchanges outside of one trade, okay? Now in a market like this, because we're seeing what's happened with some of these exchanges, okay? And hedge your bets. Sell short. Let the bears make you some money. Then buy, take that profit, buy some more trades, leave your cash in your bank or leave your cash in your wallet underneath your mattress, because we don't know what's coming in this economy. But don't use your own money. Use the exchange profit money and trade that during the bear market. Don't commit. Don't worry, you got to look across the table to your partner, your wife, your kids, when you're worried about college and the mortgage and all that stuff, and you're trying to take money over here, rob Peter to pay Paul and all that. No, let the exchange do it. Make solid trades, small trades consistently every day or every week, and let the exchange lift you back up, okay, through a bear market without ever having to sell. Because remember, this is a commodity-driven market, supply and demand. That's what it's going to be. You want to be at the end. At the ender's game, right? Where do you want to be at the end? Do you want to be sitting with 1,000 Bitcoin, or do you want to be sitting with none? Right? Like at the end of the day. And so that's how you have to work at it. And we've seen what's happened with stocks and stuff. So Bitcoin Cash is something you want to take a look at. I got an open trade at 106.02, target of 100. Pretty easy. I think it's going to happen. If we break 100, we're going to go down to 97, maybe even 95. If something happens FUD-wise in the market in the next 24 hours, this trade could go below 97 pretty easily for a really nice trade in the 40 or 50%, even at low leverage mates. So keep an eye on your correlated assets to Bitcoin and what Bitcoin does today.